Hello there and welcome to Cubed Agency's audio blog. Each week we cover tips and tricks business owners and marketing managers should be using to successfully advertise their business. This week we're covering how to optimize your video content for SEO. So let's get right into it. Optimizing your video for SEO. Is your business's video optimizing your SEO results? Making sure your site is found in search engines when people are searching for what you do is crucial to compete in today's online environment. The world of SEO is an ever-changing and very technical one, and as most of us just started feeling comfortable with using text to optimize our ranking results, in comes the world of video. Video rules the net these days, and it has become an integral aspect of any serious business's marketing SEO program. Knowing exactly how to rank your video for SEO results, however, can be a little tricky as rules and protocol are entirely different from text. Number 1. Pick the right platform. Are you looking to simply pull traffic to your site, or do you want to maximize conversion and leads on that site? The answer to that question can determine which hosting platform you use for your videos. YouTube, Vimeo, and others have their pros and cons when it comes to how well traffic is pulled in and directed, so make sure to study how each platform will work best for your specific goals. Number 2. Combine video with words that help tell the story. An awesome and oft overlooked SEO technique for video is to marry the video with a written transcript. These words can be showing alongside the video, which makes it an awesome tool for those who want to surf silently, and if done correctly, the text is crawlable by the search engines. This is an excellent opportunity to include additional keywords and phrases alongside the video to help further supercharge the SEO results. Number 3. It's the pick that makes them click. Did you know that the thumbnail of a video is more important than the title of your video? Yep. When someone is searching online and sees video, it's the picture that represents the video that decides if they click or not. Many businesses use whatever thumbnail is generated when their video displays on different hosting sites. Mistake. Make sure to manually choose either a video still from your video that is captivating or use a separate image that represents the upcoming video. You want it to be high quality, not fuzzy or blurry, and include colors that will catch the attention of speedy surfers. Spend some time here and the results will more than pay you back for your efforts. Number 4. Ensure the descriptions do their duty. Another area that is often overlooked by sloppy marketers and business owners is in the area of the video description. Don't just put a title and a few words about the video. Use keywords and well-flowing text that will have the ability to really pull someone in and want to click your video and watch it. The keywords you use can help optimize the video, but the actual story you tell will help convince them that yours is the video that they've been looking for. While the above are by no means all the ways in which you can optimize your video for better SEO, they are some of the easiest to implement with the biggest bang for your buck. Do not discount your video SEO optimization process. Take the time to do it right and reap the benefits of additional plays, click-throughs, leads, and sales. This week's audio blog was written by Matt Cassidy, our social media content writer, on March 12th, 2020. We post new blogs every Thursday, so don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to this newsletter by hitting that big pink subscribe button to get the latest news, blogs, videos, and updates to help your business grow. I'm 𝗫𝗏𝗏𝗏, your narrator for Cubed Agency's audio blogs. Catch us next Thursday, and don't forget, create content with purpose.